What is up, guys? This is V Worldwide, unboxing the Alienware Advanced Gaming Keyboard. So, in the description, I'll put up in the top of the screen there the unboxing of the Advanced Gaming Mouse that I got. So, let's bust this open and see what's in it. Other side here too. I'll cut my hand open. Go viral. Here we go. Nice design as usual. That Alienware. I love that logo. That logo is sick, man. Anyway, there we go. Put that to the side. So we got in the box. See how we busted open here. All right. We got this here. This other side here. Let's open that up. There we go. Got your instructions here. Quick start guide. There we go. Little Alienware there, you can see that. Nice build. Nice and clicky. It's a mechanical keyboard, so it's a little bit different from the one I have. It's a the one I have in the back is a just a regular keyboard from Dell that I got with the computer. So, a little rubber stoppers there for the feet there. Stand if you need it. There we go. So it also lights up and everything. I'm going to take it to the back and then I will show you guys this in a minute, all set up and plugged in. All right, so here's the little LEDs here. So it just kind of goes around the keyboard. Again, this is a more budget keyboard, so the keys don't light up. It is mechanical. Buttons are clicky. Listen to this. Really responsive. Got your mapping buttons here. Map to the games, whatever you want to, however you want to map your game control out. And your keys. Give me a second and I'll go through the Alienware Command Center and I'll change the light up for you here. Once you see the different styles, sort of just like when I did the mouse, the video on the mouse, if you saw that. So I'll be back in a second. Hey guys, what is up? I'm sorry, I have to do this the old-fashioned way. I'm having trouble with my screen broadcaster. Anyway, here we go. So this is the layout here in the Alienware Command Center. And here's the keys. There's a little logo there. And to do you're going to do your lighting effects. See, it shows up the gaming mouse that I had before. I did do a review on that also. Anyway, light up the logo here. Change the colors. There. And right over here in this area, you can change your colors. Sorry, again, I gotta get that thing back up. So, then we have everything here. It lights up the whole keyboard. in both areas. You can see them both highlighted there. And we have the colors. So we have a morph. So it kind of morphs in and out. Pulse. Here's the little, let me show you that there. And I'll just go over it here. I'm gonna use this here. Give me a second. Got breathing. So you see it's kind of breathing going in and out. Spectrum. And on this one, it is a budget, more of a budget gaming keyboard. So it is mechanical, has the brown keys. So the keys don't light up, but the bottom does. It has that lighting effect that I showed you earlier. So it goes around the bottom there. And it goes up into the logo right there. Let's see here. Spectrum, static blue, default blue. You can adjust the brightness too if you want to on that. So you can go, like that. Then we have, let's see here, double color here, arrow. And this whole time it's kind of, that one sort of goes around the keyboard there, up into the logo again. Everything pretty much ends there at the logo and comes back. And if you want to turn it off and on, you can hit that and it turns everything off so you don't have the lights if they're annoying to you. So let's turn it back on here. Let's get through these. The single color, rainbow. So it's just going through different colors. Here, and again, you can see it on the bottom. And a single color scanner. So it's more of a different, it's more going like right around the, the other one, it was coming from both directions, kind of meeting in the center. And let's see what else we got here. And got the rainbow scanner. Right. And you can slow or speed up the tempo on that, but you guys know how those things go. We have the wave, rainbow wave here. It's kind of, and that is it for that. So let's see here. That's it for the lighting. If you have any questions, put them down below. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna get this broadcaster fixed. I promise it'll get better next time. I have no idea what's going on with that. So until next time, this is V, and I am out.